So next in seventh question, second part is given as it is given as 2x plus 3y. This matrix is 2 3 4 0 and 3x plus 2y. It is 2 minus 1 5. Okay, so let this be the equation 1, let this be the equation 2. Okay, how to solve this question? So what we have to do here, 2x 3y. Okay, what we can do here, we can multiply with this. Let us multiply with 3 and this will 2. By this 3 2 ja 6, here 3 2 ja 6. Okay, so these two will get cancelled later on. So this will become 3 2 ja 6 6 plus 3 3 ja 9y. This is equal to, all the elements are multiplied with 3. 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9, 3 4 ja 12, 0. Similarly, this one, this equation, linear equation is multiplied by 2. So here 2 3 ja 6x plus next here 2y into 2, it is 4y. It is equal to, each element is multiplied by 2. 2 2s are 4, minus 4. 2 into minus 1, it is minus 2. 2 5 are 10. Okay, so this is the matrix. Now what we can do? We can do subtraction, opposite symbols. This will get cancelled. We are getting 9x plus 4y minus 4y, no? So it is 5y is equal to, okay, we can directly do here first element first, and 6 minus 4, it will be what? Or simply write 6 9 12 0 minus 4 minus 4 minus 2 10. Okay, so this will equal to what? 6 minus 4, it is 2. 9 minus of minus plus, 9 plus 4, it is 13. 9 plus 4, it is 13. Next, minus and minus plus, 12 plus 4, it is 14. And then here 0 minus 10, it is minus 10. Okay, so we are getting like this, 2 13 14 and here minus 10. So this is the value for 5y. So here 1 by y is equal to 1 by 5 into 2 13 14 minus 10. So it will divide all the elements now. So this will become 2 by 5, 13 by 5, 14 by 5 minus 10 by 5. So this can also be written as, okay, 2 by 5, 13 by 5, 14 by 5. Here 5 1 ja 5 2 ja. It is minus 2. So this is the value of y. Now simply call this as equation number 3. Okay, so now equation 3 in equation 1. Okay, so equation 1 in equation equation 1 in equation 3. So equation 3 is what? We got that equation 1 is 2x here. What value we got? Y matrix, no? So 2x plus 3. Y matrix is what? It is 2 by 5, 13 by 5, 14 by 5 minus 2. So this is what? 2x plus 3y, it is equal to what? This matrix, no? 2 3 4 0. So now this is scalar, multiply all the elements. So we will get 2x plus 3 2 just 6 by 5, 39 by 5. Next, so it is 42 by 5, isn't it? Next, 3 2 ja minus 6. Okay, so this matrix is 2 3 4 0. Now from here 2x is equal to what? 2 3 4 0. This plus matrix will go that side, will become minus matrix. 6 by 5, 39 by 5, 42 by 5. Okay, minus 6. So we are getting like this. Now if we solve this, So here, so first, so 2 minus 6 by 5. 2 minus 6 by 5 is what? It is 5 2s are 10 minus 6 by 5. It is minus 4 by 5. So it is what? It is 4 by 5. So 3 minus 39 by 5. 3 minus 39 by 5. So 5 3 is 15 minus 39 by 5. 39 minus 15 is what? 4 2. Okay, it is 24 by 5. Next it is what? 4 minus 42 by 5. So 4 minus 42 by 5. So this is 5. 5 4s are 20 minus 42. So it is minus 22 by 5. So minus 22 by 5. Okay. No, wait here. Here 4. Okay. 4 minus 45. 3 minus 39. Minus 39 है ना here. Minus 39. This is plus. Minus 39 plus 15 na, so here minus 24. So here it is minus 24 and here let's take here it is plus 4. Okay, and then here 42 bigger value is what? Minus, so minus 25. So now 0 minus of minus, it is plus, so 6 here, and this is the value for 2x. Now what we can do here? Now simply this will become x is equal to 1 by 2, 4 by 5 minus 24 by 5 minus 22 by 5, 6. So from this x will be divided by 2, 2 1 ja 2 2 ja, so 2 by 5, then 2 1 ja 2 12 ja, minus 12 by 5, then 2 minus 22, it is minus 11, and then here 2 6 by 2, it is 3. So this is the Y matrix, and we got Y matrix as 2 by 5, 13 by 5, 14 by 5, minus 2. Okay. So like this we have found the answers for option second part of the 7th question. Okay.